I'm gonna shoot the Berger 155.5, 42.0, and shooting with 4 guys here: Jocelyn, myself, Bill, and Tyler.
I am.
Yeah, go ahead, Jocelyn.
Good.
Holy smokes!
Wow.
That's high, eh?
I know, and I even went 9 minutes down.
Good win though.
5 more down.
There we go. Mosquitoes, Jesus. Very nice.
Fuck you, Chris. Oh, sorry, that wasn't very sportsmanlike of me, was it? Oh, I got this fucking cheek rest all fixed on that, and now it's in my way.
So I'm shooting in an F-class target, so I'm adding a point to whatever I get. And if I'm gonna repeat it because I think I'm gonna cut the first part
I don't need my cheek rest.
to speed it up. I'm shooting the Berger's 155.5, 46.0, 15 thou jump.
I'm no Chris Fang, but I'll take it. Alright, so now I'm going to different ammo here. Oh, fuck.
Is that Tyler?
Looks like you got about 100 yard zero. Well, probably about a, what, 5 up?
Good. Jeez, Chris. Slow the fuck down there.
I'll convert both. That's 2 V-balls.
There we go.
Oh, come on, computer. A little high. Half MOA high. Okay, let's come down 2 knots. Okay. Safety's on. It's chambered.
Tyler shot, right?
Yeah, your shot.
There we go.
Stop fucking around with this.
Very nice. So you get a V.5.
Super V-ball.
Super V.
Good water line. Oh, I think you found your zero.
Yep. Yeah, that was just the wind.
Excuse me.
There you go. Nice shoot. Nice shot.
There we go.
That's a 5.
I'm not gonna fuck around too much. I've got some shooting 5s and 4s. That tight. Take these on. That's this fucking thing fixed. Nope. Ooh, a little high. That's kind of bizarre. This is why I wish I could track individually so I can see my gun.
That was Tyler.
That's your go.
Yeah. Working out all right? What did you do? Just clean it? Pretty much.
Get in there, you bastard. Probably shouldn't be doing this.
Oh, I didn't hold over long enough.
Wow, beautiful. As a matter of fact, this probably only half of a week. Do well.
Nice.
It's a Vipo
Oh, where's my
for PR.
a 5? But that's a V-ball in the real world for you.
The real world.
Oh, there's a bit of wind.
Oh yeah, she's up big.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah, there's quite a bit of wind.
Well, corrected for the wind. I just didn't.
Good wind though. Good call.
Go up.
Yeah, well, that's what's happening. Is this thing just seems to be oscillating. Up
I
and
think it's the
down.
clouds, Bill.
Hmm?
The clouds. The shadow in the clouds?
Is it?
Yeah.
Where I aim.
Yeah, it died down as soon as it came up.
Yeah.
Welcome to the island.
Just a touch hot, so I have to lower.
再打一枪非常好，一人丢了几个
5. I'm cheating. I give myself some more.
Well, if you don't give yourself scores, I won't. So somebody has to do it.
Ooh.
好了，你插红旗下去吧。把枪拿了，把铁板先留着。
Sure what kind of tomfuckery that was.
其他你回来再抽。现在就拿吧，钱包啊什么的说吧。
As Chris said, it's the wind, or it's the sun and the wind.
你先开枪，感觉找找看。
Oh, now it's coming from our back. That's the worst wind on this range. Is the range wind from the back. Fucking piece of shit. Get in there.
你射到300米了，别把靶子打坏啊，这样会把打坏了要赔的。
Lots of light change too. Now it's all dark.
So what does the dark do, Chris?
I think. I think sun is up, cloud is down. I think. I don't remember it well.
Well, that sounds plausible. I know you're right.
Oh,
It's one of those.
Nice, you got a 5.
Thanks.
那个，等一下，你会调不会？你不是向左一点，别动，你现在别动。
Very nice.
你的镜子全装反了。
The other side. No correction, by the way.
It went down, Chris.
Down. So cloud is down.
玩笑，这是上下，这是
Good
左右
wind,
它应该装在正面的。你没动，谁给你？
And like a significant amount, like at least 3 clicks.
Yeah.
Like not just a click. There's a man doesn't have a hard
Now the
time
sun's
with-
coming up.
Now it's
Bill?
the sun.
你说你刚才这一枪很可能就是运气不好，就电子靶的那个头就给你打坏了。他在这个里。
Jocelyn's dialed in.
Dialed in, boys.
Say,
你可以看他的，然后你把自己钱包、手机、本子那些先收走。好的。别老让我再说一遍又一遍的，我就没情绪打枪了。不要觉得我太我也在叫我的枪下个
Nice.
如
Jeez.
果我什么都说一遍，你觉得我态度能好得了？
Fucking mosquitoes.
all right. So that, Chris. So with the one that was low with this clouds in, that was 6 MOA. The
Yeah.
sun out, 5.5 MOA, and it was still just. I could have went one more click. That's cool.
Do you went back up? Or you just shot normal?
No, I changed it. I changed it back down when the sun came up by 3 clicks,
Oh.
and it was almost a good water line. Not, I could have went one more click up. It's about 2 MOA change.
Yeah, wow.
Half MOA change. Pardon me.
打完枪一定要推弹，好吧？
That's a lot.
动作快一点，打几枪，这个不是在这玩儿，在这弄东西的。
Vivo, and I'm out. You're done?
So that's a 50 and 7.
Two. How long is your barrel, Tyler?
26.
That's weird.
Go ahead, Bill. I'm out.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
You just fire that grasshopper?
Took a little too much wind off of that. I'm shooting the same ammo as you are, and I'm getting a little faster, Tyler.
Yeah, I switched.
Oh.
I'm running 130 now.
Oh, okay.
Billy Bob.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Last
Bill.
one.
Are you out?
Yeah, I'm out.
Thought so.
Oh, low 5, I'll take it.
V and 5. Eh?
Oh! Oh! It hurts to stand.
I did all right. I'll just have to.
All right, so thanks, Chris. I will remember that.
So I shot a 50 and 7 this time.
On my way up.
I think it was just probably warming up or something. So I had to add one because I shot the FDR target. So that's what. That's why when I get a 4, I set 5, and when I get a 5, I get a V. So that's how it works. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe, comment.